Hi there, I am Stefania Conti-Vecchi, CEO of Eventagist, and I've been contacted by MPI to come to EMEC to give you all the best tips and tricks on how to use technology during your events. In particular, we will focus our attention on mobile devices, and with mobile devices I mean smartphone and tablets, but not only. We will see also how to use laptops, so web tools and apps, not only apps. Then I'll be very busy there. I'm going to present 3 sessions, and during the breaks I'll be available at the consultancy bar for individual consultation that you can book. It's a kind of 10 minutes slot. You can book on the EMEC website in the page of the Knowledge Hub. You can find there a link to the doodle and book your individual appointment at the consultancy bar. Then back to the sessions. On Monday I'll start very early in the morning with the CAMPFIRE. The CAMPFIRE is about how to manage hybrid meetings, so web tools and apps for hybrid meetings. In particular, we will see how to live stream an event easily, and how to facilitate interaction between on-site and online participants. Then in the afternoon I will show you how to go paperless using an iPad, then how to replace your conference binder with this mobile device with the tablets. And on Tuesday we will sit together. I will be at the very beginning of the day. I will start the morning at 9:30 with a session entitled "Selecting the Best Web Tools and Apps for Successful Meetings." There we will see really a selection. It's plenty of web tools and apps out there for our industry, and I will show you how to use them, but not only a list of apps. So we will see in the how to design a session using technology. So we will go a bit deeper into the meeting design of the session, and that's all. I think I'll wait for you. I look forward to meet you in Istanbul. See you there. Keep a free space, a slot, manage your slots to attend my session. I'll look forward to see you there in Istanbul. Bye.